Hey guys, what's going on? I haven't done a video in a while, but finally decided to put something out there and have a little bit of content going. It's probably been 3 or 4 weeks since I did anything. I'm gonna say thanks to all the people that subbed to me. I got over 100 now. Trying to get to 200. My video today is I'm gonna adjust my Qa1 shocks. Had the car out yesterday. It seemed to be spinning when I got on it about 35-40 mile an hour. So I'm gonna see if I can loosen the front ones up, tighten the back ones up, and see if I can get the weight transfer. See what happens, see if I can do anything better with it. But but like I said, I want to say thanks to all the subs, and hopefully I can get another 100 before this year's up. Who knows? I got the double adjuster shocks on the back, and I'm trying to figure out sort of how to get them ready for the track. I had them out yesterday. Like I said, I was driving it and it would just smoke the tires at about 35-40 mile an hour. So I'm going to adjust them today and take it back out, see if it makes any difference, and I'll get back with you. I'm going to show you what I'm doing when I get the car jacked up, and we'll go from there. See you in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm up under this car. I was going to show you what I got and how I'm going to adjust it. Kind of in the dark on where to start at, but you got to have a starting point. So what I'm going to do is, you can see it's got rebound and compression, and I'm going to turn the compression all the way up towards negative so the car will come down fast, and then I'm going to turn this up so the rebound will let the car go back up slow. I'm not sure, I don't remember what spring rate I have here, but if anybody got any suggestions, let me know. Like I said, I'm just starting out this, kind of new on how to adjust this stuff and get it. I'm going to do the other side, but yeah, like I said, if anybody has any suggestions, I ain't had it to the track yet, but I'm going to take it back out and hit it on the road today. And like I said, yesterday I had it out and it was just smoking the tires at like 35 mile an hour, 40 mile an hour. So I'm going to do some adjusting on it, see if any of this helps, and I'll get back with y'all later in the video. I should be able to have it out and do some test runs with it. I don't know how it's going to do on the street, because it could be just the street letting it spin, but anyway, I'll get that much caught up and get back with you. Alright, well, I got this thing back on the ground. I don't know if you can tell the difference. It looks like the front's a little high on it. I think it'll settle down a little bit once I drive it. Let me show you what I did to it. You can see that I adjusted it up probably 3/4 of an inch. I didn't go the whole inch like I said I was going to do. And the setting head's got 18 settings on it, and I got it on about 9. That's somewhere in the middle. So we're gonna see how that does. Like I said, I'm gonna take it for a ride. Probably settle down a little bit. So I don't think it's going to end up being that high, but I don't know. We'll see what it looks like. All right, catch you guys in a few minutes. Well, back at the house after a couple runs, short runs. I did adjust the front shocks and the back ones, and it seemed to hook up better than it did yesterday. I don't know if it's my imagination or what. But can't really tell until I get to the track and get my air pressure set and my tires and get it all set up. But it was something to do. But anyway, here's my ride height now. I raised it up 3/4 of an inch. I don't know if anybody can really tell it or not, but it is a little bit higher. I think I'm gonna leave it that way. See what happens. Like I say, we'll do more adjusting when actual track time, starts coming around. So, but anyway, like I say, I want to thank you guys for subbing to my channel and liking. Hoping to have more content, get to the drag strip, like I said, when all this stuff goes away, get things back open, hopefully the next few weeks. But anyway, y'all take it easy, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.